Hi, I'm Brian from iWire. It's been a few weeks for you guys, it's been a little bit longer for us, so we wanted to kind of show you what we've been working on. So maybe the first thing to show is the MAF and the air box. So we custom fabricated a mount that uses the new MAF sensor in the old housing. So this is all 02 to 07 air box, but 08 plus MAF.
So what you guys doing?
Designing future stuff.
Lance is gone.
This is a new style MAF. This is an old style MAF. They don't work the same because they're calibrated differently. So on our new car with our new setup, we want to run this MAF, but this air box that this goes with does not fit in that car. So in order for a stock air box to be in the car, we need to find a way to get this MAF in place of where this one would go, hence the adapter.
I don't think my nerves will ever go away when we like test fits.
You stressing?
I always stress, yeah, whenever we do something like this.
Blame you.
What are you doing right now, Sam?
Shaving, make sure that this bolt will bite onto the stock location.
It fits. Will it work is another story.
How do we find that out?
We gotta go drive it.
We gotta go drive it! Yeah!
The other thing we've finished up in the meantime is the coolant overflow. So we've created a custom bracket down here to hold our overflow bottle. Well, we're getting coolant from the jugs into the engine so you can heat it up and see if there are any leaks. So yeah, you can watch us do that. Go up so we can check the product. Yeah, I'm gonna get a mop. Tidied up the engine bay, got the intercooler in, everything's pretty well done here in the back of the car. I just went ahead and did some basic Dynamat. Don't have a full-size spare. Trunk's a little bit noisy. It's not horrible, but figured now is the time to just do something fun. So we put that in there. The battery's just sitting in its spot for now, but we're gonna make a mount for this side. And maybe the coolest part, or something that I've never had in this car in the entire time that I've owned it, power locks. Well, remote entry and power locks. That is the sound of the future, people. Turns out the JDM door that I put on the passenger side was the driver's side. Never even noticed it. Keep in mind this was 16 years ago. That it was a non-power lock door. It had a little sensor, not a door actuator. So it would always blow the fuse. So now I'm still waiting on the actual latch and actuator, but once I have it, the passenger side will unlock and lock just as it should. And it'll be the first time that I have this feature on this car, and I'm very happy about it. So we've been working through the wiring, messed with it a bunch, found that we had no issues there. We're having issues with a CAN messages specific issue, but we're gonna get that sorted out and we should be good to go. No, absolutely not. No, do not jump in there. We've been kind of just piecing together interior just a little bit. Something I've always wanted on this thing, which is a accordion shift boot, and I think it looks magnificent. Thank you to all our Instagram followers for helping find this, and for such a great shape on top of that. So appreciate you guys. Door cards are off because I'm waiting on the other door lock latch and actuator for that side. Once that goes in, the door cards will go back in and we'll kind of piece together a little more of the interior. Basically at this point, we should be ready to run and drive the car, but still wait because unless we get this car to pass bar, it will not be something that we offer. We have high hopes for that, but we just don't know until we get there. So keep waiting for that.